table shows the ages of members of a school chess club. In the left column we have the members' ages, and in the right column we have the frequency. And what this means is that there are 5 players who are all 11, 6 players who are 12, 9 players who are 13, or members who are 13, and so on. So if we want to work out the mean age of a member, we would need to add up all of the members' ages and divide by how many members there are. Now we know there are 5 11-year-olds, so we could do 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11, and then there are 6 12-year-olds, so we could add up 12 6 times and so on. But that would take a long time. Instead, what we do, we multiply the age by the frequency. So 11 times 5 is 55, which is what we would have if we added up 11 5 times. 12 times 6 is going to be 72. 13 times 9 is going to be 117 nearly. 14 times 4 is going to be 56. 15 times 3 is 45, and 16 times 2 is 32. What we now need to do to work out the mean is add up what we've just worked out, which is the age times frequency, and divide by the total frequency. So we need to do the sum of what we've just worked out. So if I add up 52, 72, 117, 56, 45 and 32, we get 377. And I need to divide that by the total frequency. So let's add up all the frequencies. 5 add 6 add 9 add 4 add 3 add 2, giving me 29. So I need to do 377 divided by 29. So if we do that here, we have 377 divided by 29, giving you 13. So the mean age of a member is exactly 13. To work out where the median is approximately, if we add up the frequencies, we get 29. Now if I halve 29, remembering that the median is the middle value, this will tell me which value approximately is the median. It is only an approximation, but it does give us a good idea. So if I do 29 divided by 2, I get 14.5. So I want to see where the 14.5 value is going to be. Well, the first 5 values are all 11-year-olds. And then if I do 5 plus 6, we get 11. So the first 11 values are between 11 and 12, or the first 11 values are 11 and 12-year-olds. If I keep going, I have the first 20, so 5 plus 6 plus 9, from 11 to 13. So I can say the first 20 in here. So the first 11 are in the first 2 rows, and the first 20 are in the first 3 rows. So that means the 14.5th value, which is the median value, is going to be somewhere in the 3rd row, which is for someone who is 13. So I can say the median age of a member is 13. The range of ages, we should remember, is the largest take away the smallest. Well, if we look at the ages, the oldest person, or the oldest 2 people in the club, are both 16. So the oldest person in the club is 16, and there are 5 people who are 11, so the youngest person is going to be 11. So the range is just 16 take away 11, which is 5. How many students are under the age of 16? Well, if we look at the frequencies, we can see that there are 3 who are 15, 4 who are 14, and so on. So all I need to do is add up 5, 6, 9, 4, and 3. Basically all of the frequencies except for those for 16. If I do this, I get 27. So there are 27 members who are under the age of 16. Finally, what is the modal age of a member? This is basically asking you for the mode. And the mode is the age which will have the highest frequency, which is 13. Here's a question for you to try. Please pause the video now and have a go, and when you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers.